All right, guys, I'm doing a review on this camping chair from Overmont that they sent me. This thing is heavy duty, let me tell you. And I'm pretty heavy duty myself. I weigh 240 pounds, bro. And look, this chair holds up to 450 pounds. Yeah, it's an extra large chair. And I was really itching to open this thing up. My daughter was excited too because I told her it's a perfect place to read. So she actually popped out her book and she was pretty excited about it. And, she went straight to reading. There's this little holder here, acts like a cooler. You can put up to like 6 cans, like 12-ounce cans. It could be whatever kind of beverage you like. It has a cup holder on the side. It also has a mesh to hold some extra additional items. And I was testing it out, and this thing is really comfortable, has extra padding on the head part for your neck, for long days. It's ideal for soccer games, camping. I mean, we are a soccer family, dude. We go to soccer games like literally every single weekend. So my son's excited. He tested it out, read a little bit, and I'm gonna put this thing away now and pretty much gonna pack it in my car, and this thing is gonna travel with us everywhere we go. And as you can see, my son's wearing his Ronaldo shirt, and my little boy here, he pretty much owns the chair now. Yeah, he likes to do that. Before he'd sit in the stroller, but now he's all about the chair. You know how it goes. But now this chair is actually big enough for an adult and a kid to fit there, so it's pretty awesome. We can sit with grandma at the soccer games. We can keep them entertained. We can keep his snacks in there, and yeah, it's perfect, man. If you're looking for a heavy duty chair that's padded, I mean, I really like this thing already. Like I said, we're super excited about it. Can't wait to test it out at the field. We have a bunch of tournaments coming up right now in January, from State Cup to other tournaments with the club. And yeah, we're definitely going to put this thing to use. It has this heavy duty carrying case, which I thought was pretty nice. That way, it lasts a long time, but it's very durable. It's made of great material. You can tell this thing is sturdy, and I won't be breaking it. But yeah, hopefully this video helps you guys. Thanks for watching.